Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're asking the big question. Why does Apple hate us all? More specifically, why are they making it almost impossible to repair our own devices? Stay tuned, this one's personal. Some time ago, swapping out a MacBook battery was something you could do in under 10 minutes with a simple screwdriver. Now, batteries glued to the chassis, proprietary screws, T-shape adhesives. Welcome to Apple's repair labyrinth. Apple quietly phased out user-serviceable components. Adhesive tabs replaced removable battery packs. Proprietary pentalobe screws bar entry without special tools. The end result, what used to be a simple task can now be a fire hazard if you attempt to still do yourself, or now demands a trip to a certified repair shop and a hefty bill. Let me walk you through my own nightmare. I bought a 2018 MacBook Pro, and after 600 cycles, the battery health dropped below 80%, and a service recommended message appeared on macOS. I thought, no problem, I'll swap it out myself. I had to carefully cut through the adhesive strips. One wrong move and I could slice the battery cell, causing a short, or worse, thermal runaway and fire. Batteries contain lithium-ion cells under tension. Sharp tools or twisting can puncture cells. Puncture equals sparks plus electrolyte leak equals fire risk. Annoyed. Not to mention the risk of bending the logic board cables when pulling out glued-in batteries. Multiply that by millions of MacBooks and you've got a recipe for disaster. It's not just MacBooks. iPhones today. Reject third-party batteries. They won't calibrate, show wrong capacity, or throw error messages. Disable Face ID after a non-authorized screen swap, even if the replacement is perfect. Imagine paying £50 for a new battery, only for your phone to insist it's invalid. What's Apple's real motive? Maximizing service revenue? Controlling repair quality to protect brand image? Preventing tampering with security chips? T2 Secure Enclave? Or is it about planned obsolescence? Engineering a sealed box that forces you to upgrade when the repair gets too steep? When repair becomes impractical, devices end up replaced, not fixed. That's more e-waste, more resource extraction, more carbon footprint. We care about sustainability, yet our devices are designed to die. Is it fair for Apple to lock us out of fixing what we bought? Should profit trump the planet? It's time we demand change. Support right-to-repair legislation. Buy from brands that value serviceability. Speak up on social media. One of the reasons as to why new iPhones have USB-C connectors is because the European Union Commission pressured Apple to standardize the charger to reduce waste. Next on the cards is easier replacement batteries. I hope that comes soon. If you found this eye-opening, hit like, subscribe, and drop your repair horror stories below. Let's make our voices heard, because our devices deserve better treatment.